Hey there, welcome back to my channel. This is Parshwika. Today I'm with a new art challenge. As usually you would be aware in my videos, I make the different types of art tutorials and art challenge. So today I got something different in my store. So this episode is something focusing on different. I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy it, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see in my next upcoming videos. So in this video, I saw some artists drawing on the internet using these blowpens, and these are so fun to drawing using these blowpens and painting with the blowpens. But then I thought that let's try something different, so I thought of making something different. But yeah, it's a spray painting only, but then I won't be using these blowpens, I would be using something different. So let's see what. And yeah, along with that I will be using these stencils that I got from the market, and these stencils who came out with these blowpens. I won't be using these blowpens for my art challenge. I would be using my normal pen for the spray painting, and you will gonna see how I'm using that. And I will be using stencils for these things. So this is the sun. I just need to remove it fast so that I get started. Yeah, I'm just removing it. Yeah, these are the stencils, and this is the sun, this is the tree, and this is the butterfly. Let's get started. And I'm gonna use my pen for this art challenge. This is the pen. I will going to remove the cap and then going to remove this refill inside it, and then yeah, it's ready to use. So let's see how I'm gonna start doing it. And you could see these small things that I got from after removing from the stencils, and I hope that these things will also going to help me in my artwork, and you probably would be seeing how I'm going to use them in my artwork. So let's get started. I'm going to use this pen only to draw my spray painting. So let's start with the first. The stencils I'm gonna use first. So for the tree and for this I would be using the green color. So this is the green color. I will be using it for my trees. Just taking the brush, my green color, and yeah, you just need to add the extra water because you need to spray the painting. So you need the extra water over here, and just put the color over here, and then yeah, you're ready. Using this, I'm gonna blow it. It's calling something different pattern. You can see over here. It's not like usually blow pens that I'm gonna use over here. It's something different. I have my store. Oh, I'm adding more water to it to give it the look that I really wanted. Adding more extra water to it. And I'm using it for the second tree, this tree. Okay. And then I would be making these stems from the brown color. So I have the different brush, and I'm gonna using the brown color for it. Again blowing it. I need to add more water to it. Now you can see my stencils. Alright. I need to add here more water. Yeah, so this is the tree. Yeah, but then it's fine. Okay, I won't be using these part from my stencils. Then I would be proceeding to my next stencils. That's the butterfly one, and I will be making the butterfly stencil. I love the butterfly. So let's see. I'm gonna use something different color here, the red and blue and green, some different combinations. So let's start with the butterfly spray painting. So I'm gonna use this red color. some black pen, I'm going to outline these butterflies so that it looks like a butterfly, otherwise it will look like something different. So I'm gonna underline it. So it looks like somewhat butterfly. So yeah, now I think after removing the stencils, you can see the butterfly is there. It's butterfly. Well, I need to add more colors to it. So let's see, I have something different color, pink. So now I will be using the pink color. Colors are intermingling. Now we have the sun over here. So let's see how the sun turns out. I should make sun over here. Yeah, probably no. Then I will be using my pen. I will be making a little bit more trees. So this is the tree that I have made. This is also the tree. I will be adding a little bit more trees to somewhat over here. Somewhat over here, I will be adding more trees. there's so much messed in this artwork, and my hands are also like color. So to make it more feasible and make it more look like a drawing, I just make using a black pen and just outlining all the things, so that it will going to look a little bit more like a drawing, not like a messed up work. So this is the butterfly that we have made. After this blowing with the blowpen, no, after blowing with this ballpoint pen, my mouth is like completely, it's paining and I'm so tired, and I hope you like this end result. It's a little bit messy, but then I like this butterfly. I also like the sun, having the sun rays and this tree and all that. I know it's like completely messed up painting that I've ever done in my life, but then I like the end result because it's like a fun process. It's a fun art challenge. I'm not doing it for the professional art challenge. It's just a fun art challenge using these colors and using this pen as a sparkling or blowing your colors onto the paper. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up. I like the end result. I hope you also like the end result. It's a little bit messy, but then I have enjoyed a lot in this video, and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Hit the bell icon for the future upcoming art doses, and I hope see you the next time with a new art challenge, with a new art tutorial. So keep watching. See you the next time. Take care guys. Bye.